Hi everyone, welcome to the penultimate video from this World of Flowers page. Well, actually double page really, although the right hand page we did a very long time ago. But we have quite a small little vignette to do today. Just these little tiny cute flowers. I have been debating whether to do the flowers all different colours or keep the flowers the same and do the pots different colours, keep the pots the same, do everything different, blah blah blah. I don't know, it's all going around in my head, but let's choose a background colour. I'm just having a look at what we've used. We've done 2 purple, we've done 2 pink, we've done 2 yellow, 3 yellow, we've done greens. We haven't done brown, but we've got a lot of brown here, so I don't want to do that. We've done a Davies grey, but not a normal grey. So let's do a grey. Let's do that. I find the cool grey deep and the cool grey are so similar that I tend to just grab the one that happens to be the longest when I'm choosing between them. But I'm sure they do look really different, but for me, I just grab. So I felt that keeping something the same on this might make it easier and a bit more coherent. I had contemplated doing rainbow. We've only got 6, not 7. Ooh, that wasn't very neat. I'll come back and deal with that in a minute. Got carried away. There we go. But I think rainbow might be a little odd because we haven't got rainbow anywhere else, so it would need to be a bit more random. So I think maybe if we do all the flowers, because the flowers look identical-ish almost, let's colour all the flowers the same, and then let's do the pots in all different colours. I think that might work. I don't think it will look too odd because, you know, need to sort of tie in with the rest of the page. So this sort of grey background will work quite well as a backdrop to lots of different colours. It doesn't need to match anything because it will match everything. It's a bit messy though, isn't it? Let me just try and tidy it up a tad just by sort of colouring over the gappy bits. Hopefully that's okay. Right, I'm going to do these as flowers, not leaves. I could do them as leaves, but I want them to look a bit jolly and bright. So I'm having a look at my pinks and purples, and I am looking to see which is the sharpest. Maybe not the best way to pick, but I think that this one might actually be a nice colour. I'm thinking purple, and it will need a sharpen. Just looking at the colours that are around here and what I think will work. So here is our purple. So let's get going. So I'm just going to do them quite evenly. I'm not going to try and do anything fancy because they are small. You could do these different colours if you want to. What I would tend to do though is to do them in the same colour family, just because that then makes it easier for you when you're picking your pot colours. But it's totally up to you, of course, as it all is. Oops. You might decide maybe the ones that are in the same pot should be the same colour, that sort of thing. So just moving gently along our line. I know we have been going from left to right, but it just makes sense to do all of this colour first. That's better. Now our first pot, what colour? Well, not a reddy pink or a purple or a green, so let's grab an orange-ish colour. I will go for the burnt ochre actually. Now all of these are quite small, so I'm probably going to have to sharpen every pencil, but hey, that's okay. So burnt ochre for our first pot. So like we've done with all our pots, dark to light, like that. Now this bit across the middle, I'm thinking this, oh, I've got a wobbly lead. Let's make it a bit darker. And that, oh, that's very wobbly. I shall break that off. and sharpen it in a bit. I don't need it now, so I shall just put it aside. Where to next? Let's go blue. Let's go Indigo Light. Same technique, darker on the edges, a bit lighter towards the middle of our pot. I've been thinking about the lines around the edge, and I am definitely going to do them in black, and I will use a black Posca pen. I'm not going to demo that because it's just a pen. Castle Green Light for our next pot, but I figured that I would make sure I shared a picture with you. It may not be at the end of a video though, because I'm sort of showing just the small bits, so I am most likely to pop it onto my Facebook page and maybe my Instagram, so make sure you sort of check there, have a look at there. It won't be there. I will probably, Cadmium Yellow, schedule the photo to come up on the day the last video comes out, so that it all ties up nicely. If I send it out early, you'll get too many sneak peeks of what it's going to look like. I want you tuning in to find out. I've left that one because I want it to be a bit darker. I'm going to use the yellow ochre light. So yeah, I'll complete it. It means that I can leave it a few days because I've got lots of editing to do because I've been filming a big block of videos. So I can leave it a few days and then get it done cherry pink, and is that a bit close to our flower colour? Probably not. And pop it up ready, so so it can be seen. I could schedule it actually to appear on Instagram as well. Try and do this bit underneath a little bit darker. We've got a rainbow going on. It wasn't my intention. Let me do another blue, then it might not look so rainbowy. Cobalt Turquoise. And that bit that's going across the middle, I'm going to do in a different colour. I'm going to do it in a red. Cadmium red. So yeah, I will post it so that you can have a look at it, because I'm sure you'll want to decide whether that's your colour of choice or whether you would rather do something a bit different. But anyway, that is that finished. It was just a quickie. It's likely that this is be mixed in with another one because it's so short on a day where there's another video, just because I've got to try and squeeze these all into November, and I don't think I've got space to spread them one a day because I've got other things scheduled and it's all quite complicated. Anyway, there we go. So thank you for watching this little video. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. If you feel a bit shortchanged, there are plenty of other videos that I've made over the last couple of years that you can go back and look at, or there'll be another one either later today or tomorrow. There'll be plenty. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and happy colouring.